Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. If you are seeing my tutorial for the first time, welcome to my channel. So I'm using 1.5 years of crepe material to make this beautiful style. I'm going to also place black plain material and also yellow crepe material, and I'm going to also use fringe on it. So the style is called Biba Kaftan. It's a trendy style that is ongoing now, and I would like you to also learn how to cut and sew it on your own. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share, like, comment, and also turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I upload beautiful tutorials like this. So guys, if you're interested to know how to make this kind of style, please keep on watching to the end to see the outcome. So this is the crepe material that we are using, 1.5 years of this crepe material, orange color, and this is the plain black material and also the yellow plain material. So the fringe I'm going to also show you guys. So I folded my fabric into two. So you fold your fabric into two. So I will draw a straight line for our starting point. That's where I will place my tape rule. So guys, keep on watching to see the outcome of this style that we are making. So I'll go for my length. So my length is 37 inch. Okay, so I'll mark 37 inch on both sides. All right, so guys, keep on watching to the end to see the outcome of this trendy Biba kaftan that we are making. All right, so now we have taken the length of our dress. So I'm taking the width now. So I'm going by 14 inch for the width of my Biba kaftan that I'm making today. Okay, so I'll go for my neckline. I'm going by 3 inch. Alright, so the depth of my neckline, I'm going by 3 inch also. Alright, so I'll just mark it. Okay, so just mark it and connect it. Alright, so I'll use my curve ruler to connect it. So guys, keep on watching to the end to see the outcome of this style that we are making. It's a trendy style that we are making today. Alright, so guys, now I'll just mark the back neckline, so I'll just give a curve on it. Alright, so I'm curving the back neckline. Okay, so now I'll just mark 1 inch to slope my shoulder. Alright, I'm doing that by 1 inch and then connect the marks together. Okay, so like I said, this style is a trendy style and I want you to learn how to cut and sew it on your own. So I'll mark from my shoulder. Okay, I'm going to mark that is 30 inch there. So on that line that I marked 30 inch from my shoulder, so I'm going to mark 8 inch from there. That's where I will get my sleeve, and I'm going to also shape it from there. Alright, you can see the connection. I'm connecting it. Okay, I'm doing that by 30 inch. Alright, so now I'll mark my bust. My bust is 44 inch. Alright, so that's my bust, 44 inch. So now I'll just connect the marks together. Okay, I'll just connect it down together. So my camera is not taking that part, that is my hemline. I'm going by 12 inch. Okay, so I'm marking 12 inch at the bottom, that is the hemline. So I'll just take the marks down to the hemline. Alright, so after marking it, so I'll just connect the lines together. That's what I'm doing now. Alright, so now I'm still taking the measurement of my neck, that is the back. So I'm using 1 0.5 inch for that. Alright, so after that I'll just cut it out. So guys, please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can support this channel by watching my tutorials down to the end. You can also check my other tutorials on my channel to watch, so that you can also learn the other styles that we have on my channel already. Alright, don't forget we are cutting the front piece now. This is the front piece, that's what we are cutting now. We are going to use this front piece and lay it at the back and use it to cut the back piece. So don't forget, this style that we are making is a trendy style. It's called Biba Kaftan, and we are using orange plain material to make it. It's a crepe material. So this is the back piece now, just for you to lay the front piece at the back piece and just cut it out. So that's what I'm doing now. So, and don't forget, the style is unique. It's going to have V shape, so that's why you should watch the first piece, that is the front piece, how we're able to get our neckline, so that you'll be able to cut it out, because it's a trendy neckline. I'm going to cut it out and open it for you to see. So guys, keep on watching to see the outcome of this style that we are making. Don't forget, we've already cut the front piece and now is the back piece now. So I want to cut out the neckline, that is I want to cut the front neckline now. So you can see the way I'm placing my scissors on it, to just use my scissors to shape it a little. You can see the way I'm curving it. So I've cut out the front neckline now. So I'll open it now for you to see how it is. You can see how it is a trendy neckline, very beautiful, very lovely. You can see how it is now. So now we are going to cut the plain black fabric that we are going to use to do the front design. So this is it now. So we want to cut it out now. So I folded it into two, and I'm taking my length of my piece first. I will have to take the width first, is 4 inch, then the length is 11 inch. That's also what you just need to do, is for you to run a stitch at the edge of it and iron it out. After that, then we'll place it on our plain material, that is the main dress that we are making now. So this is how to go about it. Alright, so I'll just run a stitch on it. So I've done the measurement just for us to connect it. Don't forget the width is on 4 inch, then the length is 11 inch. Okay, alright, so this is how to go about it. Alright, so you can see how it is now. I've opened it so that you can see how to run the stitch on it. So this is the second design that we are going to use, the yellow plain crepe material. Alright, so I'll go for my length. I'm going by 13 inch. Okay, so the length is by 13 inch, while the width I'm going by 5 inch. That is for the width. So I'll just connect them together. Okay, so after that you just cut it. When after connecting it, you just, okay, I use 1 inch to curve it. Alright, so after that you just cut it out. So after cutting it, the next step for us to run a stitch on it, then we'll place it on our main Biba Kaftan. So then we'll add our fringe, fringe on it. We are going to add it. We add it on top of the black plain and on top of the yellow plain fabric. You can see how beautiful it is. It has come out well, very lovely. It's a simple style that you can just cut out. Just follow the procedure, you are going to get it, guys. I hope you understood what we did today, and I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. So keep a date with me again. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share this tutorial with your friends, give it a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and learn from it. Guys, you can see how lovely the style is on my body, and I want you to also make your own after watching this tutorial, guys. So keep on watching my tutorial, support my channel down to the end by watching my tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again, guys.